tailpipes. Look at this, just rolling through.
No, don't do that.
Oh, yeah, you know what? You gotta straighten that out. They're from the beautiful island of New Zealand. I hope the New Zealand tourist authority is looking in. Hey, Sally, you're being so loud, Sally. She's just beautiful, though, right? She's feisty. A little bit of American muscle. You guys got cars like this back home?
I had a 59 Mercury.
You got a 59.
59 Mercury Monterey.
Very nice. You also a car guy?
I'm a car guy, but I haven't got one at the moment, so I'm looking.
So what really kind of jumped out at you guys while you guys were walking around the show? Like what's really just sort of does it for you guys today?
Just I like watching these rat rod things come and how the hell they get these things on the road sometimes. It wouldn't happen in New Zealand without strict regulations. So.
New Zealand, you wouldn't know that they had strict regulations down there, especially all the good stuff that they bring us. And so, all right, so you guys come out here. Are you guys visiting? Do you guys live out here?
Yeah. We're heading back on Monday.
Monday, head back, yeah. Yeah, we're just here for 6 days and head back.
Fantastic. You're out in Vegas. You're from anywhere out there. Well, you know what? Get off the strip. Get down to Eastern right here where Headlights and Tailpipes is showcasing all these cars. The New Zealanders are in the house.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, a little bit of admin.
Files is here too.
A little what?
Rotter Files is here in the house.
Oh, man. You know, the excitement, everything that I'm always just all over the place and whatnot. But one of the things you guys need to remember is this. If you don't have sponsors, if you don't have the Danielles out here that are putting up their booths, you don't have these shows. So you got to get out and at least ask them, hey, why are you here, Danielle? What do you got? Who are you?
I'm Danielle with American National Insurance, and what separates me from the competition is that excellent personal local service. So I'm right down the street, Stephanie in Warm Springs, and I'm in the community every Saturday at this car show, and I'm born and raised here, so I know the community and I know what everybody needs.
Little piece of trivia for you. I knew about this show years ago. Danielle and I connected on social media, came down here, checked it out, and I just refound a love for it. Now, what's interesting is this. There's this guy in the background. We're like, who's this guy? He just walked into the video. This dude is Zeus. This is Danielle's dad. Car shows are a family affair. Dad, why? Why the car show?
It's been a love affair for a long time. Cars, motorcycles, everything. And I'm very proud of my daughter, you know, so I got to support her too. So.
And you got to support her too. Why? Because the car show isn't here without our sponsors. At least walk up, grab their card, get a proposal, right? As easy as that. A simple proposal. I don't mean one of these proposals. I mean a proposal. What do you get? This is your Headlights and your Tailpipes. I'm Josh. Thanks for tuning in.